Somebody mention birds? Hi there birdies, and welcome back to the channel once again. And what do we have today? Now these are one weird looking bird. It really looks like someone's taken a cucumber, dipped it in a bit of red paint and stuck a beak in it. This is a red-bearded bee-eater. And what a cracking bird. Although I joke, the red-bearded bee-eater is actually a very beautiful looking bird. With its mainly green body, the red beard, a slightly pink crown and yellow and black tail. And those unmistakable orange eyes. This bird is mainly only found in the south of Thailand, up to some of the central western regions. As its name states, their diet mainly consists of bees and other flying insects. And although it looks rather ungainly, they're actually excellent flyers with pointed wings that can swoop and pluck bees from the air. Also, like other bee-eaters, they nest in burrows tunnelled into the side of sandy or muddy banks. But in saying that, unlike some other bee-eaters, they don't form nest colonies. Although their looks and coloration is quite becoming, their sound is, well, you're going to listen yourself in a minute. It sort of sounds a bit like a cross between a frog or a duck. So with that, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Quack, quack. I'm not sure if this pair are the same as the previous birds, but these two were found taking a dip in the stream, probably only about 200 metres away from the nest, so they could be the same birds, or maybe a different pair. Anyway, that's just about it for another little video, this time on the red-bearded bee-eater. Again, if you like the video, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, it really helps out. And thank you to one of my subscribers that actually bought me a coffee last week. So don't forget, if you want to help out, just click the link below and, well, buy me a coffee or buy me a beer. Right, well, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.